Hong Kong has a subtropical monsoon climate. The climate of Hong Kong in summer and winter differs greatly. In summer, the continent is heated up by the sun. Air becomes hot and it rises. Air pressure over the land is low. Water absorbs heat more slowly than the land. Therefore, air over the sea is relatively cooler than the land. Air pressure over the sea is higher than the land. Wind blows from high pressure area to low pressure area. Thus, air from the ocean moves towards the southern and eastern parts of Asia. This is onshore winds. In winter, the land loses heat more quickly than the sea. Land surface is colder than the sea surface. Cold air over the land sinks. As a result, air pressure over the land is higher than the sea. Wind blows from the land to the sea and is therefore offshore. These winds blow in opposite directions in different seasons. They are called monsoon winds.